Well, guys, it is, I think it's December 31st today, to be honest. I've just been doing 2 weeks of 12-hour midnights at Hondas, so we're just getting off of that. We got ourselves some new vehicles. We got ourselves a 1990 Chevy. I don't think this thing's going to be sticking around, unfortunately. We got ourselves a 2007 Honda. Again, I don't think this thing's going to be sticking around. We got ourselves a Kia up there. We got ourselves a vehicle underneath the tarp. We got some videos building stuff for that. But it's a little chilly today. I know it doesn't look like it, but it's a little chilly. We have Eddie in here, and Eddie's been building a loaded bumper for the 2025 Derby season coming up. That's what we got going on there. We have my 57 Apache Napco truck that we've been doing a whole bunch of work to. I don't want to give a whole bunch of stuff away on this, but we do have a motor in it. We've been doing a lot of things to this thing. Still lots to go on this. Let's go see some of the other things outside. So I'm not going to give away what's underneath the tarp yet, but I do have videos of this vehicle. We got a CRV. I don't think I'm going to derby that. And we got ourselves a Ridgeline back there I'd like to get going. So that's pretty much where we are with the vehicles we have. So what this video is to do is say that we've had an amazing 2024 season. This is like the last day of 2024. So it's going to be posted in 2025 though, because I'm like 1 month behind on my posting. So like all this month of January has been San Flamingo. I know I say the name wrong, but we've been down to Mini Meltdown. We've been to all these derbies across the U.S. We went to Fall Brawl. We went to a couple derbies we've never been to. We went to scrapyards in Saskatchewan. And we've been to scrapyards in Saskatchewan. We've been all over on Canada this year and Ontario. And we have some different videos coming up. So after the derby season, Tabitha and I drove to Alaska this year. So I have a 12-part video series of us driving to Alaska that's going to be uploaded. I've been working on the house like crazy because I don't know if many of you guys know this, but by the time this video is posted, I'm probably going to have a child. So I'm not going to be posting too much of my kid at all. I don't really think kids should be on the internet. But we've been doing a lot of stuff around here. We've been traveling a lot. We've been going all over. I've seen a Jelly Roll concert. It was different. But what we've been doing is just basically keeping busy and keep going. So I'm going to be having some videos of our trip to Alaska coming up. I'm going to be having some videos of my 57 Chevy pickup coming up. Eddie and I have been building a vehicle that I don't even want to tell you about, so you guys are going to have to stick around to see what it is. And it's been very busy around here. As you guys can see, we buy a lot of cars. We kind of pick and choose what we want to keep from them and move on to the next. So we've been extremely busy around here with cars, pickup truck, everything cleaning up. It's been unreal how busy we have been. So, saying that, I really appreciate you guys sticking around. I think we have just over 15,000 subscribers now. Somebody told me I have over 2,800 videos on YouTube, which is crazy, guys. We've broken 3 cameras this year. We've filled a GoPro full of water. We've dropped a Sony AX35. If you guys don't know how much that camera is about $1,000. And then we ran over another camera with a tug. So we've gone over quite a bit of cameras. I'm actually filming on my really old Canon right now. Steven and Tabitha got me a Sony AX43 for Christmas. I'm looking at a DJI Pocket 3 coming up. I'm just waiting for it to go on sale to see if I can buy one. But this has been an amazing derby season. It's been an amazing year with you guys, and I'm very happy about it. And I'm happy that you guys are staying with me. Yes, it's a little cold today, and I'm sorry if I'm shivering. But what we're going to be doing is just moving a couple cars today, and Eddie's going to probably be inside welding. So we're going to get a fire going for him. There's Eddie, guys. Oh, and everybody, come on in here. Eddie bought a new truck, so now he can tow his own derby cars for next year. Eddie, what type of truck did you buy?
2021 F-150.
He's extremely happy about it. It is a very nice truck, and it's going to tow beautifully. But next year, Eddie's probably going to be hitting the Derby Series a little bit hard. He did have a little bit of a shitty luck situation there in the fall. He rented a shop where he stored and built all his Derby cars, and it was like a unit with like 12 other people, and unfortunately it did kind of have a fire. Not Eddie's fault, but Eddie did lose everything, so we're going to try to get there and help him clean it up, make a video for it, and if any of you guys want to send anything to Eddie for like shifters or anything like that, he'd be greatly appreciative, but we don't say that he needs anything, but if you want to, you can. So hopefully we can get a video for that for you guys. But Eddie's very happy about his new truck. Through the ashes he will rise. So let's move some cars, get you guys some content, and Eddie's probably going to start welding. Maybe I'll go warm up my hands a bit in the garage. So this Honda Accord, you got a K24, but unfortunately it's automatic. This one here we got because Buddy said it had no heat. And I don't think he was lying, because let's just get in it. Oh, he's got a cigarette powered heater pointed at the window. He's got a dash cam. Ooh, are these sunglasses? Ooh, are those some real Ray-Bans? We'll have to take a... Ooh, they might be knockoffs too. We got some brand new brake discs for this car. Safety glasses. What are you? Oh, that's for the keys for the tires. We're going to keep that. We have to do a little bit of archaeology in here. What do we got here? GoPro Max. I think that's a vape. No, I think that's a lighter. Cigarette lighters, USB plugs, iPhone cables. No change. Let's go see what's in the trunk. Oh, plugs into your cigarette, into your. That's kind of cool. It's a little different. I don't think I have anything that has a working CD player though, but that might be worth keeping. Let's go see what's in the trunk of this car. Ooh, we got a fuel line clamp. We're gonna keep that. Pull. We got some rims and tires, and apparently a shit ton of snow. Let's get these out of here and see if there's anything underneath it. Anything cool? No, just a spare tire. That's kind of shitty. Nothing cool in the trunk. You guys might call me cheap, but guess what? She works. That's right. You're gonna start plenty of fires in your day until I lose you. You might be my new torch starter. He's gonna sit right there beside the Goku I found in a car once. There you go. That's your new home. You guys think they're real? Do I look cool? Free glasses. What do you think, Eddie? You think they're real?
I think so.
Yeah, free Ray-Bans. Well, guys, the wind is starting to pick up. It's starting to get chilly, and we got all the cars put away. So, thank you guys for having a great year. I can't believe how well it's become, and we'll see you guys back here with the next video. We still have lots of videos to come, just the derby content is going to slow down for a bit, and we're going to switch to some trips, 57 Chevy building, and some other cool projects. So make sure you guys stay back. We still got to build a vehicle underneath there. Eddie's just about done this bumper. He's been working on it all day. Your ground is off.
Hit it off.
We're just about done loading and seam welding this bumper. But we're getting done, and thank you guys for watching, and thanks for sticking with us here on Zach's Workshop. Maybe one day I'll hit 100,000 subscribers and get that cool little YouTube sign on the wall, but I don't think it's going to be anytime soon. Take care, guys. Thanks for watching. making these videos for you guys. It's been really fun making them, and it definitely takes a lot of time. So thanks for watching. I'd greatly appreciate it. I see you guys commenting every day. I try to comment back to you, and we're building this channel together. We're building the derby cars together. You guys saw me win my first big trophy this year, and we're doing pretty good, I think. I think we didn't win a lot of shows, but we did pretty good this year. So thanks for watching. We'll see you back here later on Zach's Workshop.